Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to enable, how to turn on or off the night light on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the night mode option, and in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. As you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish, a little bit amber, and it is obviously in order to filter the blue light. Unfortunately, in this model we cannot adjust the intensity of that feature, so we can only turn it on or off. So this is how to do it using the settings, and if you'd like to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the night mode icon. As you can see now, it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on it and the screen turns back to its normal state. Of course, you can turn it on again by tapping here. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.